Today we're going to go through a multi-zone mini-split performance spot check using the SW1 switch located here on the circuit board. As you can see on the form, we have numbers listed over here on the right, and it's going to go 1 through 44. And we are going to collect the performance data with the system in the off position, and this is going to be your benchmark column. We will then do the performance check while the system is running with all 3 heads, and then we'll document that here in the demand column. So for starters, we just simply come over here to this SW1 switch, and you just simply walk up and hit the button once, and that would be your number 1, and then your value will be there to follow. This is the number you would document on the sheet. From there, you hit the button again to get to number 2, and then the value flashes, and so on. Number 3, and then the value. Number 4, and then the value. If you take too long, this will go back to the beginning and you'll have to start over. But I would also recommend that we record you scrolling through these numbers, as it will be a little difficult to hit the button, record the number, hit the button, record the number by yourself. Notice it just went back to the beginning because I took too long. So if I come back in here again, hit the button to 1, then the value, and if I were to record this, again, we would just document this at the end. Once I take my recording and I document this information on the sheet in both the benchmark column and the demand column, we can then go through this sheet and evaluate our findings. Some of the findings we'll see how many units we got connected to this thing, the value of all sensors, T1 through T5, and so forth. This sheet will help us identify if we have a sensor issue, we have a connection issue, maybe the unit's installed in the wrong spot. Hopefully this will help you in collecting the data on this system so that we can better understand what's going on with the Linux ductless product. Thank you.